We all know about flood stories, like the flood that happened in Leitsburg. That time it was the dam, the side of the dam that burst because of heavy rain. Now, when a river is filled up, but it is actually over flooded and there's no way for the water to go, it happens that the side of the dam it bursts, and then everything that comes out of that dam, that river, it's not a pretty picture. It's water, it's mud, it's it's leaves and sticks, and just to name a few things. Now the same is happening in our spiritual lives. We are tempted to keep everything inside of us. We don't talk. In Afrikaans we say ons krop op, and it's just building up, and then one day that side of that dam in our lives is bursting, and then everything that comes out, it's not a pretty picture. It is not something you want to experience. It's ugly.